we are back. If you're on YouTube, do not forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you're not missing any of my live streams ever again. Let's get into it. Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. Let's get ready to rumble. Alrighty. Let's get it. I also have a TikTok if you want to join the TikTok. It is TomTrades1. Links should be in my bio. If not, join Discord. I got a free Discord too. Let's get it. Good morning, Dean. Thanks for following. It is Monday. How's everyone's weekend? Signal for gold today? I don't know. I got no idea for gold. I don't trade gold, not my thing. I apologize. Do we have the like counter up? Is that working? There it is. Damn, you type fast. Thank you. David, thank you very much for following me. It's fucking Monday. We got a new week. Let's go. Lots of raffle wins over the weekend, mate. Boggly Box. It's good to see you. It's always great to see you. It's been a while. You should see the streams are popping off now. We get so many viewers. Back when you first came in, I was getting like fucking 10 viewers. Now I get like 100. It's crazy. Today was red folder news, but I wanted to try if my strat works, and it works. There was no red folder news today. Not that I believe. Hey buddy, hope you're well. Love that. You deserve it, but thank you very much. I appreciate it. I appreciate it a lot. And thank you, David, for following me as well. Pound yen. We can have a look. I haven't looked at any of the yen pairs today. I had to scan through every pair, but I mean, that's not a bad short. However, it's a bit sketchy to get into any of the yen pairs due to current economics, what's going on around the world. But I wouldn't, actually, we kind of missed it. Oh, that's 5 minute, my bad. I mean, we missed it anyway. I would have gotten in, if I was manually trading and looking for a short, that would have been a fantastic, if I was trading yen pairs, which I'm trading US dollar yen, and Swiss yen, which I'm already in. Oh, what do we have here? Sienna with the heart meat and Boggly Box with the rose. Thank you guys very much. Thank you guys very, very much. Where's my little pen? Where's my little pen? There we go. But this would have been a fantastic range to get into for shorts. I would have gotten into that, but we've already gone down a little bit lower, bounced off of, highs. We're making higher highs though. So whether we come down a little bit, down to maybe here and then pop back up for a higher high, for typical market structure. We'll just have to wait and see. Because this is an entire range. Just big upwards channel. MK Amil. Thank you very much for following me. Just big upwards channel. Whether or not we stick at all of these highs here, come back down, not too sure for more of like a swing trade position, but it really depends. We do have bank rates for Japan, I believe, later on in the week. No, tomorrow. We got the policy rates, so bank rates for Japan. These will most likely not go anywhere. They have no reason to drop them or increase them. Swiss is expected to drop to 0% interest rates. Whether or not that actually happens, we're not too sure. If you look back, they're quite unreliable previous in terms of what the expectation is compared to what it comes out as. So I would be concerned about what is actually going to happen with rates in the Swiss, but we're not too sure. In terms of red ticket news for today, there wasn't anything. Nothing today. So I'm not too sure what was going on there. User, thank you very much for following me. I'm excited. This week's going to be a good week, I think. I'm absolutely locked in. Bonza, thank you very much for the heart me. I appreciate it. Holy shit. Got a lot of people in here. Afternoon, what up, Meeksy? How you going? Did you get everything sorted out? You from Australia? Yep. Brisbane, have a good night. Thank you very much. You too. What up, Sienna? Can you explain day trading in layman's terms? I don't know what layman's terms is. Does that mean I'm an idiot? Chef Mike, thank you very much for following. Were you on yesterday? No, I was recording the masterclass for the mentorship guys. So I didn't jump on. I don't want to be like brain dead from talking for 2 hours. What's that pull up there, lad? What? Drop air? What are you talking about? What? The view outside is beautiful. Thank you very much, Susie. I appreciate that a lot. What up, Fair King? Thomas the Fair King, sweet. Thank you for sharing, Sienna. How would someone start becoming a day trader? Join my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio, and watch the 1 hour beginner's video. It's free. Go watch it. And then join the mentorship or come and have a chat to me. And then we'll go from there. Yo, Will Gibb, what up? Oh, okay. How are you doing day trading when it's night? You can trade at night also. It's considered day trading when you're in and out of the market on the same day. That's what day trading is. Yeah, I believe I did. Sweet. You got the smiley faces? What's that chart that you pulled up while talking news? This one. Oh, are you talking about... Are you talking about this? So this is the previous history of bank rates. So if you go onto Forex Factory and do all of this shit, I don't know if you know how to do all of this, but you just go into the calendar, you set your time zone, it will come up with all the times and predictions and all of that shit for news that's coming out and everything. And then it will show you the previous figures, when the previous figures came out, what they were, what the expectation was. And this is good for backtesting as well. Why is that gone all weird? Okay, that's better. So yeah, it's pretty useful. Oh, Birchop with the heart me and the go popular. Thank you very much, Birchop. I appreciate it. I appreciate it a lot. God, what is going on here? Hold up, guys. I gotta make sure I'm pretty as fuck, you know? Which way's my hair going? Do I look like a rat? Yeah, a little bit. Member level 14. Let's fucking go. Birchop with the member level 14. Anyway, so what the fuck is this song? Okay, so this is good for back testing. So you can go back in time and see when these figures are dropping and see what sort of impact it's had. So it's pretty good to be able to do that. And you can do that with pretty much everything too. You know, we got unemployment for the Australian dollar. You can have a look at previous figures, the previous forecast and the actual, and you can go back in time and look at what sort of impact it had. So yes, interesting. Do you have the heater on Fecking? No. I feel that they never use heaters in Australia. I do when it's fucking freezing. Bro, the euro does not want to fall. 550 drawdown still? I'm out of, I don't know how you're not. I'm out of everything except for the cake animation? No, I missed the cake. I'll go back and look at it. Sorry, Birchop. Sorry, I apologize. Sorry, thank you so much for the level up Sparks, the Tofu Cat, the roses. Thank you, Sienna, for the Go Popular. I really appreciate that. Sorry I missed it. I didn't have the thing up next to me. Sorry. But thank you. Holy shit. Level up Sparks. What the fuck? Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. And Speedy, what are you still in? I'm out of everything except for Euro Pound and Euro New Zealand. And I could have gotten out of Euro Pound. I could have gotten out of Euro Pound really close to take profit. I don't think I got anywhere near in Euro New Zealand. No, I didn't. But we're close. What I suspect is the cause of this so the only thing I'm thinking of is if you took profits, like, so if you had a position that was, you know, up here and you got into, you know, a little bit of profit down here or some shit and you took it off, that brings your average back down to here, which means that to get you to your take profit level, it's going to take longer. That's the only thing I'm kind of thinking of. If you took profits on any of the euro odds or any of the euro pounds, I'm thinking that would probably be why you're still in drawdown, is if you took profit early on singular positions. Because then you got to go back up to get into another position to bring the average back up to here to get out of the position with profit. Because our top positions up here are like some of the most important ones for us to get out of our positions quicker, because they're usually the biggest positions that we have, bringing our average up closer to the current price so we can get out nice and easy with profit. So if you're taking those off, I don't know if that's exactly what happened, but I know you did do that with some, so I don't know if that's the case. Otherwise, we are still kind of flopping around on these, and we should get some movement this week, so hopefully we get a drop. Jack, thank you very much for following me. How deep are you into gambling addiction? None. I don't gamble like ever. What are you trading tonight? Everything. Can we meet up? Maybe. Depends. What for? Yeah, sorry. Holy shit! The Rabbit Drop Bear with a Heart Me and then 24 Go Populars? What the fuck? Thank you very much. That is extremely super kind of you. I appreciate that. I appreciate it a lot. And sorry, Birchall, for missing that again. Waldo, thank you very much for following me. Thanks, haven't done any trading. Thanks for all your explanation. You're so down to earth. No worries. And I appreciate you always being at the top of the liking board. So we got the Rabbit Drop Bear 2.3, Birchop at 1.5k, Meegsy 1.4, Sienna 800, Fair King 600, Miff Junior 400, Speedy 100, Xander 100. Oh, Xander's in here. And Michael 600. Thank you guys very much. It's okay. Yeah, sorry. It's on Discord. Easy. Tommy, where are all the views? What up, Xander? I don't know. We did get up to like 40 or some shit, and then they just fucking disappeared. But that's okay. We're still early on in the stream. Usually they come like a little bit later. Yes, I'm in a fucking dressing gown. Leave me the fuck alone. I look good, okay? I can do whatever the fuck I want. Who's gonna stop me? My boss? Because I don't have one. I think you could be right. I've done that a few times. Yeah, that would be the determining factor for that sort of thing. Took the fattest long on AU. Ooh, did ya? Hopefully you're down at these ranges. That would have been anywhere around here. Even if you got in here. Yeah, that's... Hopefully that was a nice one. You're welcome for sharing, by the way. Buy or sell? On what? Thank you, Tommy, you're so funny. Thank you. What is a boss? Young Hugh Hefner. The fuck? What's up, boss? What up, Bert? How are you? How much you made today, alpha male? Not a lot today. We got out of pretty much everything on Friday. Aussie or New Zealand dollar? Oh, you're in a buy on Aussie or New Zealand dollar? Wait, what the fuck? Oh, 7697. Oh, I'd be taking that off, eh? That buy on AU, Speedy. Fucking, this is killing me, this fucking Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. I think I'm still in that. Been in that fucking ages. It is, because I can't get out of it because it's just fucking... Like, I can't get another position. I can't get out of that. So I've been stuck in that for weeks. Unless we come down here and I put an aggressive position in and just get out at the top of this range. But I'm not going to do that now because we got GDP for the pound, I think. I mean, New Zealand dollar? I can't remember. New Zealand dollar, where are you? Yeah, GDP. For New Zealand dollar and employment for Aussie dollar, so I'm not touching that right now. We'll just let it go, see what happens. Oh yeah, Econ Baba, tell me why. Please, I love talking to people like you, so please come. Please, give it to me. I think you need help. Nah. Which currency? All of them. Pick one. What do you want to look at? 1.2. 1.2 what? Bump. Huh? Is that the real best Bert Newton? Is that supposed to be like a... If they're meant to be like a popular person, then I presume probably not. I don't know who that is. Did you hear about us going into World War III? Yeah. Whether or not that happens, like... Yeah. We'll see. Do you have a second account? Tom trades 11. Nope. Sorry, Ryan. Just report him or some shit if you can. Just be a fake account. Who wouldn't want to be me? You made 1.2. Yeah, I can check that. I'll tell you if you're correct or not. No. Friday more than that, but today no. It's been good. We got lots of we got lots more people. Shit. Oh, wait. I'm an idiot. Yeah, sorry. 16k like. Holy shit, we're almost at 20k likes already. I reported that account today. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Check out the coin alt layer. Oh, fuck, okay. I usually wouldn't, but I'm feeling nice. Oh, I looked at it and now I'm no longer looking at it because it just looks weird. Ooh, ooh. Main Rehen Hoon. Thank you very much for following me. Bert Newton. Oh, true. Gold, short or long. I don't trade gold. Sorry about that. Geo. And then trade currencies and indices. I thought that was the case. Yeah, sorry. My account is still not working. Really? Why? I gotta go. See you later, Sienna. Thank you very much for the gifts. As I said, don't do that, please. But yes, thank you very much. Anyway, I appreciate it a lot. Let's get a little flasky going. Hello, Bishal Batarai. Thank you very much for following me. Have a good night. See you later. Bye. Have I gotten through everything? Yep. How are you so consistent every day? In terms of what, Mr. Beastie? In terms of trading or live streaming or working on mentorships and everything, or what? Or reply to people, or in trading because I use an unconventional strategy that not everybody fucking uses. And it works. Muhammad Usman G, thank you very much for the "you're awesome." I appreciate that a lot. I appreciate it a lot. Crypto Addy, Cryptody, thank you very much for the follow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't know why I emailed them and everything. Your account, as in like your trading account? Were we talking about that? Grab the camera for an edit? Like that? Oh. Like that? Is that what you're talking about? Fuck, this thing's hot. Ugh. Oh. Fucking, where did I put this? Oh. Fuck, it's so hot. Hold up. I take my pants off too. Oh. Alright. Oh, I can breathe. Jesus. So hot. I respect you a lot. To be consistently in SL, it takes skill. To be consistently in SL. SL. Am I missing something? What the fuck is SL? What's that? What's in SL? What, Mr. Beastie, what's SL? I feel like I'm missing something, but yeah. I think he means the amount of sleeping with the ladies. Jesus. You trading London? No. Stop loss. Well, yeah, that's what I mean. That's what I thought. To be consistently in stop loss, it takes skill. But that doesn't make sense. That's what I mean. Like, that was my first go-to, but to be consistently in stop loss, it takes skill. I don't know. That doesn't make sense to me. To be consistently, yeah, I don't know. Corbin Ramy, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. And I'm not in particularly trading London. I trade all the time, every session. We got Discord messages. Found YouTube vids and your Discord trading for beginners. Wait a second. Corey, are you in here? Stop loss. Made no sense to me either. Yeah, I didn't understand that, but I don't know. I think he's gone or some shit. So I don't know. Think he means not moving it. I don't have a stop loss. I don't trade with stop losses. They're stupid. You're rich from trading. I'm doing good. I wouldn't say I'm like fucking, I'm not a multi-millionaire. Just passed my first challenge right now. Good job. Good job. Good job. Nice one, brother. Drop the risk on your funded account. Fantastic advice. Fantastic advice. Globalize go. GG. Nice. I have 2x, 150. Nice. Good job. Yeah, that's a good one. Drop the risk. Yep. Okay, will do. Thanks. Yep. Or you'll get too excited and the account will be gone within a week. Absolutely. Huh? Bro is gambling with a few more steps. Sure thing, buddy. Hi. What up? G or Gandol G4NDUL. Gandu L. Cap. Gondola cap. Drop it to how much? 0.5. 0.5. Well, it depends how much. I trade live with 0.25%. Do you have a course or you just live trading? I have a mentorship program. Gendel. Sweet. Yeah, I have a mentorship program. Links in my bio if you want to join it. You get a whole heap of shit in there. I left my job on Friday to trade both London and New York session rather than only one session. Mad. Yeah. That's a lesson that, like, something that I say quite frequently is with a job, if you're trying to get out, milk the fuck out of it. Be the fucking last one in and the first one out. It's terrible advice for the average person, but if you're if you're the first one in, last one in, first one out, fuck them. Who gives a shit? You're not going to be there forever. That's what I did. What is this? What the fuck? Okay, we got some random language going on here. That's new for me, but I'll take it. When you get that good at trading, you basically become the house always wins. So I wouldn't go that far, but you know, you have an edge. You have an edge. When I gave my 2-week notice, I almost shithoused a harassment claim out of them. That's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. Indonesian language. Cool. You guys keep going. Do your thing. Say hi to me. I'm Russian. Привет. Я немного говорю по-русски. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Fucking not much happening today. Are you actually Russian? That's fucking sick. I want to get good at speaking Russian. Meegsy, 4.8. Fucking hell. Rabbit Drop Air, 4.4. Miftish, 2.2. 1.6 for Sienna. Birdshot, 1.4. Alrighty. I'm going to copy this and see what it says. Oops. He said, I'm cool, there's no one cooler than me. True. Okay. Wait, what's with all these languages? What the fuck? Where did all this shit come from? Let me do it again. I'm still that great one. Well, I'm doing good. What else to tell you? Still that great one. Well, I'm doing good. What else to tell you? What the fuck? Okay. Strange. Okay. Are you going, Xander? Laters. Have a good one. Cheers for tuning in. You have a wonderful evening. Or day. It was probably the daytime in the Netherlands, but yeah. Talk to you later. Prepared for war. Yeah, legit. You're from Indonesia? That's fucking sick. But yeah, see you later, Xander. Have a fantastic trading that Russian ruble US dollar for Ukraine. That's funny. You get a pin. People always relate trading to gambling. Yeah, I know. I mean, there's lots of tendencies. There's gambling working for a boss the rest of your life as well. Absolutely. There's gambling buying a house. Name any Russian meme. The one where the guy sneezes. They're like all standing around and he sneezes and it like explodes. Or there's one where they're on a bus and they're like, he was like, oh, nice jacket or some shit, and then he gets a flamethrower out and flamethrowers the bus. Or like any dash cam video ever. Bodoko, thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. Thank you, mate. You too. Easy, brother. See ya. Do you stick to certain pairs? Yeah. What strat do you do? It's like a form of dollar cost averaging, mean reversion of martingale. I want to translate this again. Oh shit, no, I didn't mean to do that. Cancel. Sorry. Press report instead. My favorite Russian meme is Komoynajins. Do you have one like this? I don't know what that is. Okay. Weird. Oh shit. I spoofed already. I'll take it. Bodoko, again, thank you very much for following me. When you were learning how to trade, who did you watch or what courses did you take? Oh, heaps. Everyone. I did multiple courses, multiple mentorships. They're all full of shit and didn't know what they were talking about until I found my final mentor who taught me a lot. And shit. Exploded. Don't say Anton Creel, please. Bro, Anton Creel's a goat. What the fuck are you talking about? I love listening to Anton Creel. So I'm writing English through a translator and I barely understand what he's saying. Oh, sorry. Sorry. As long as there's no quant, I can stay happy. Everywhere. What? Exploded everywhere. Jesus Christ. What is this stream tonight, guys? Come on, let's lock in. What the fuck? Do you know the song Rocket Bomb Firecrack in Your Country? No, I don't. otwco.kuy. Thank you very much for following me. You should teach me Russian and I'll teach you English. How about that? I like the sound of that. Because I want to come to Russia. If I'm allowed, ever. Bitcoin? I haven't looked at Bitcoin. What's going on with it? If you're not in the Discord already, get in the fucking Discord. Get in the fucking Discord. Let's see if anyone's joined so far. We've only been on for 30 minutes, so probably not, but Discord's linked to my bio. It's at the very top. Neat, thank you very much for joining. I'm going to be bringing this up again. So if you're not in it, get the fuck in. The link is in my bio. Bitcoin. Just hanging around up the top, I guess. Who knows where we're going? Who fucking knows? Just depends on hype. I don't know. I don't know if we've got the steam to keep going up, you know? I really don't know if we've got the steam for it. Have to wait and see, hey? Are you in Sydney, Brisbane? OTW. Oh yeah, I said that. Sammy, thank you very much for following me. How much would you say you spent rough? Oh, dude. Thousands. Waste of fucking time. That's why mine is so cheap, because I know people have probably already spent thousands on fucking courses and shit. You can come into mine, my mentorship, where I hands-on teach you instead of just giving you a fucking PDF or some bullshit and say, here you go, have fun. Or here, have fun spending another fucking $1,000 to talk to me one-on-one for fucking an hour. Nah, you get all that shit for free. It is night with you now, it's morning with us, 12 o'clock. True. Whereabouts in Russia? Where in Russia? He's in Brisbane, yes. I started back in October 2024. I've been doing it full time now. My bloodland could not be more in my hands. Fuck yeah. Fuck yes. I love that. I absolutely love that. I'm a beginner and just learning. When do I buy and sell? I mean, that's a pretty complicated question. When to buy and sell. You're going to find about 500 million different answers on the internet. And every single person is going to be at a different point. So it really depends who you're learning from. If you want to learn from me, if you're just starting out, go and watch my beginner's video on trading. It goes for an hour, it's free. And you can get a little bit of information. Sorry, I don't understand your language. Sorry. Hi, where are you located? Brisbane. To me, your language sounds the same as to yours, mine. Really? Sammy, again, thank you very much for following me. Do you have any crypto holdings? Yeah, I got a bit of Bitcoin and XRP from ages ago. If I have $100 and wanted to start, what lots should I use? Minimum? I'd focus on education first. Focus on education. Forget about this $100, right? This $100, forget about it. Because $100 isn't going to get you fucking anywhere. Like, I'll be honest. It probably won't get you anywhere. The best thing you can do is focus on education. While you're focusing on your education, build your capital up to a point where you can actually make a little bit of money. Matthew, what are you looking for? That other person's a fucking scammer too. Get rid of him, whoever that is. So I'll show you. So you're on a, is that a tablet? Is that like an iPad? Play a Russian song for 5 seconds. Oh, no, I can't. I'll get... Dude, I listen to so much Russian music. Like, all the time. But I can't. I'll get copyright struck. Do you have the WAP app on your iPad? If not, download it. Fuck. Shit, I gotta catch up. Give me 1 second. Anyway, yeah, Ziffo, focus on education first. Get rid of that shit. 0.05, absolutely fucking not. Minimum, 0.01. Sell or buy, bro. It depends. What are we talking about? So am I. I will look up this song, though, because I love Russian music. And... Anyway. Could you send someone on a field flower? I can't. Footport your accounts, that's the best way to learn. Jesus. Field flower, wreaths, morning race flower. Fuck, there is a lot going on right now. A lot going on. Just scalp max leverage full margin with $100. I mean, that's all you can really do to make money. Is this good? Gold? No, this is Eurocad. Jane Street wants to hire you, bro. I don't know what that is. Underscore 323 ho. Thank you very much for following me. What stocks do you trade? I don't trade any stocks. Do you have any traditions? Unusual ones? Traditions? It's an interesting question. No, not really. Besides caffeination. Caffeine. No traditions. I'll be back to the stream now. All good. Best trading method is to go on Forex Factory, look for CPI and enter a trade. Don't do that. You just get spread and stopped out. How much do you make? I don't talk about dollar figures, but about 7.5% of my account per month. I don't know how to use Discord, just add you, I think, but I have no idea what I'm doing. That's all right. Let's have a look. Let's have a little look. Okay, Matthew, easy. So if you go to the home section, so if you go to home, like at the bottom left, and then you go up to the top, it should say courses or learn. Yeah, I'll send you a screenshot and it will say learn up the top, and then it will have all the videos there. So there's a couple of hours worth of videos that you should watch if you haven't watched the beginners video just yet, but yeah, all the mentorship videos are in there, and there is going to be another one out probably this week that's going to go for a couple of hours. So good luck with that one because it's going to be fucking long. But get through all of those other ones first before looking at the new one. And Mali abroad. Let's have a look. That's it. Fantastic. That's exactly it. Clipping course? No, that's not it. That's not it. That's not it. That's not it. I mean, fuck, if you want to do clipping for me though, you will get paid as well. What the hell is even that? Well, it does say, if you go up to the top and click on the clipping course, it might give you a drop down to other WOPs that you're in. Just give me 1 second, guys. Luke! It's been a while. Learn. What the fuck? That's definitely the account that yeah, it is. It has to be. How the fuck? I'm trying to think. Clipping course. The fuck? Because you have the affiliate shit there. Hold up, let me go on my WOP for a second and see if I can find it. So when I go into that, I don't know if you're watching. Let me make sure that I have it up. Like, mine just comes up with Tom's Premium Mentorship Strategy course, and then it comes up with fucking all the videos, right? I don't know if you can see, but it comes up with all the videos. So I don't know I don't know what. Holy shit! What the fuck? Luke? What the fuck? Are you fucking serious? Luke with the fucking galaxy. What the fuck? Are you fucking serious? Bro, thank you so much. The actual fuck? What the actual fuck? Are you fucking serious? Thank you very much, bro. You really did not have to send that, but Jesus, thank you. Holy shit. What the fuck? Anyway, thank you so much, Luke. Fucking hell. How long do you trade daily? 1 to 3 hours. Show your strategy. I will in a second. How are you trading? And I don't... yeah. It is the best way. Currently 0 to 97 against CPI, but if I enter ES1, no spread, catch at 96. No, you've already... Matthew, you're already in it. You've already paid for it. You don't need to... Just check. Yeah, no. No. Don't pay again. You must be on a different account. You must be on a different account. You must be on a different account. That's the only explanation. Let me check. I'm gonna check. Sorry guys. Fucking hell, Luke. That's fucking insane. Thank you so much for that. And for making my ears bleed too. Do you day trade full time? Yeah. How long are you trading for before you went full time? Like 4 years. And I've been trading for almost 5. So I haven't been, I haven't been doing it for that long. Put a proper shirt on, mate. It's winter. What's your biggest win and loss? My biggest loss, my losses are always very... Oh, actually, no, my biggest loss was a mistake where I left a pending order on and the market crashed when it was meant to not be on. I want to change my life around and make minimum wage, but 55 hours weekly. Fucking hell, that's a lot. Well, I mean, you got work ethic. Join the Discord. Come have a chat to me. Come have a chat. Say hi to Donald Trump. Hello. Damn, you get a lot accomplished. I have 24 hours in my day. You must have 48 hours in a day. Me? I do a lot of shit. I demand the Russian anthem to be played in the background. I'll get probably suspended off TikTok. Do you day trade full time? Oh, yep. User, thank you very much for following me. Zizbo, thank you very much for following me. Skyline Pilot, Slime World, thank you guys very much for following me. All of you, I appreciate it a lot. Best recommended training during London and North. User, thank you very much for following me as well. Shit, I gotta get on top of this. Which currency are you trading? I trade 19 different currencies. This is Euro odd right now. How much capital does it take to be profitable? I mean, it just depends. You can be profitable with any amount of capital, but the more the better. Basically, whatever each individual can afford. Which currency are you trading, bro? Yeah, answer that. Like, how many years does it take to understand enough to be profitable? Yeah, that's more like it. And can I look up in the Discord? Because I don't know why I can't see your Discord when I click the Discord. So when you go to click on the Discord, so if you click the link on my bio, I send you a galaxy so you can afford a proper shirt. It's not cold, man. It's really not cold. Like, it's really not cold. Hold on, I gotta figure this out for one of the mentorship guys. Just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. So it says that you're in it. Okay, give me 1 second. I'm just gonna check because you're already in it. There shouldn't be any fucking problems. Okay, users. Let me look for Thor's creations. I remember when you joined. Yeah, you're in it. Let me click on your profile. Let me find your profile real quick. Because what I'm thinking is you've done it on a different account because it has a different name here. It's got a completely different name. So I think you joined on a different, yeah, it's 100% a different account, 100%. It's what you're 100% on a different account. Yeah. So the other account, here, I'll screenshot it and send it to you so I'm not like putting all this shit on the fucking internet. But this is what here, I'll screenshot. I'll send the email to you as well. So I just think I think it's just a different account that you're on. Yeah, sorry for the whatever the fuck's going on. I don't know if it's, but yeah. Is that all good? Like, does that make sense and shit now? Because if not, I'll have a look at some other stuff. Try and get it to make sense. Okay, sorry, Mally. When you go to the link in my bio, when you click on it, you have to open it into an external browser. And then you'll be able to get in from like Safari or whatever, because TikTok's weird and it takes you to the App Store or some shit. Which app are you using right now? MetaTrader 4. Pair on trade. This is Euro odd, but I trade 19 different pairs concurrently. I'm from Russia. Please ask me questions. Where in Russia? Whereabouts in Russia? In day trading, what's your weekly wins? I focus more on monthly. My weekly wins are different all the time. So it's always different, But I do around about 7.5% of my account per month. Long yield longs, Jesus, nah. What's the second hand Kalashnikov go for? What the fuck? Yeah, that's my question. What the fuck is that? Bro, Luke, I just want to say again, like, thank you very much for sending a fucking galaxy. It's absolutely insane. No, he's not in here. Joins, sends a fucking galaxy and just leaves. Crazy, man. Crazy. We even looked at what we need. 1,600 minutes. In rain. Thank you very much for following me. 100,000 likes. Nah, not today. 500 comments. We might get there. Go live 750 minutes. Star Hazel and Lupin17. Thank you very much for following me. Go live on 6 days. We'll see. 3.8 comments. Maybe. 10,000 minutes of views. I don't know, probably. Co-host. Oh my god, I gotta do the co-host shit. I hate doing that. And I gotta win a live match. Oh, I hate doing that shit. God damn it. Oh well, we'll get it done eventually. What time frame do you usually enter on? 5 minute, always. 5 minutes my entry 1 hour is my highly time frame bias. Hey, you know ICL market yields? No. Market yield 7. I don't know what that is. Or is this known for fraud? I have no idea what that is. Literally zero clue. What's that stuff for? What do you mean, Migsy? What's what stuff for? Yeah, clean. Thank you. Confused. The likes, co-hosting. Oh, so that shit, what that does, right, is it gives me these like diamond things, right? So I get these diamonds and then I'll show you. And then you get flares. So the flares, when you get a tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3, which amount to 400, 1,000, and 3,000 exposures to potential viewers. So just basically, it's like free promotion, right? So the more of these coin things that I get, the further along I go on here. So you start off with tier 1 flares, and then you get tier 2, and then you get tier 3, and then you get the subscription present, which I got, right? I got to the subscription present last time, fucking last week, and I could do it, and I tried to set it up and everything, but it didn't work, and then it randomly accepted me, so now I have subscription, like people can subscribe to me, which I don't really like, whatever, doesn't bother me. I just wanted to give someone the free fucking subscription present. So if we can get to the end here again, that would be kind of sick, because it restarts every 30 days. So each month, I don't know, I guess halfway through the month it restarts. And then yeah. Damn, you got 60 viewers. Man, we're not popping off too much today, to be completely honest. But that's okay. So yeah, if you achieve all of this stuff, so I have to win one live match, and I get 80, use co-host for 5 minutes, I get 80, and it just all adds up to getting these things, flares, which I can use, and then more people join. And it's like free promotion, I guess, from TikTok. What is this song? It's like Japanese. Google Finance AI. What about it? I don't know what that is. Damn, you got 60. Yeah. We've been doing pretty good. Like last week we were popping off a bit. What's your go-to music category when analyzing the charts and entering, bro? Just lo-fi beats? So I use an expert advisor. So, wait, what the hell? So, happening. So all my trades are entered in automatically. When we hit specific market levels, my bot will get me in. I don't have to fucking set pending orders or any of that shit, and we scale into positions and take profit at appropriate levels. Yeah, so I developed the bot. It is mine, and the mentorship guys get it for free, and it fucking works very well. So music, honestly I work in silence. Like when I get off here and I start getting stuck into a lot of shit, I don't listen to music ever. I'm literally in like complete silence until like 3, 4, 5 a.m. when I decide to go to bed. Sarah Jane, thank you very much for following me. London session, so ass, bro. I'm not even looking at this shit. Let's have a look. How? That's fucking amazing. What time did it open? I don't even know anymore because I don't fucking... That's a That's like picture perfect open. What the fuck are you talking about? Opening range breakout. We would have had pending orders here. So we would have had buys here, sells here, and we just had a straight break up to here. Take profit, done, boom, money. And then, you know, if it did this, we would have hedged, waited till we got up to somewhere like here, taken our profit, and prayed we go short. And then put a stop loss up the top, and then maybe take a loss on the day if we get hedged. That's my index strategy. Yeah, that's, I mean... Nah, that's like 1R. We wouldn't even gotten up very far unless we took that range. If that range was big enough, that's like a 2 or 3R. Tick, take half off, rest, break even, done. But that is kind of fucking gross. I hate those days. If it wasn't that entry there, if that range was too small. Which definitely was. So maybe 1R. I don't know what you're trading, so yeah. I see, thanks bro. All good. Hey dude, what up? Sticky? Sarah Jane and Clash of Might and Tyker's Cat. Thank you very much for following me. Appreciate that a lot. What pair? This is the DAX, but I'm gonna look at some other shit. Look at these volumes on my fucking screen. This is crypto trading of stocks, currency pairs, Forex. Boost DB 8.5. How's everyone's weekend? The fuck was happening? Did anyone carry on? We're almost at 40k likes. Let's fucking go. Meegsy about to hit 10k. Fucking what a fantastic time. God, you guys are going fucking nuts. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Did we have more Discord people join? So I have to join again under... What? How was your 1 hour of sleep? I worked. Oh, fucking hell. It was rough. What was your bot's TP set to? For multi... Uh, 0.25% of my account, and for multiple entries or signal entries is a secret indicator that I use, but it doesn't really matter that much, but it's around 0.25% anyway. Yeah, my 1 hour sleep was, it was rough, but it was okay. I ended up sleeping later on in the day for a couple of hours because I was just fucked. I think, yeah, I had like 1 more hour of sleep at like, I don't know, 3, and then I had like another 3 hours of sleep at like, fucking, I don't know, I felt like shit. And my stomach was fucked and everything, and I just wanted to sleep. just honestly. I'm so confused. Johnny B, thank you very much for following me. I don't know if I just said that. I probably did. Is it like hard if I wanted to make my own bot? Yeah. Yes. It's fucking... It is the most mind-numbing, horrible shit I've ever had to do. It took me it took me months and months and months and months. And if you get one bug, you gotta go back and do the whole fucking thing again. It's horrible. It's absolutely horrible. Broken sleep is the worst. I'm fine now. I mean, you wouldn't really call me fine considering I fucking fall asleep at like 6 a.m. in the morning, but yeah. In terms of that was fine. I just had like a nap and I was sweet. Gold buy. I don't know. I don't trade gold, to be completely honest. So I'm not too sure. Ray, thank you very much for following me. So you can program too. Yeah, I'm not very good, but that's probably why it took so long. But yeah, there's lots of tools that you can use to help you as well. And people. There's like forums fucking everywhere. It's just digging around, finding everything. It's just fucked. But yeah, I can do a little bit of code. That sounds fun. I think I'll pass. Yeah, you don't want to do that shit. And thank you very much for the heart, me. I appreciate that. What symbol is it we're looking at? Just got in here. I mean, this is Euro USD, but what do you want to look at? I don't care. Look at anything. Damn, I wish we pumped up to here and then I could have gotten in another trade on here. Coding language. It's MQL4 language. It's like C++. What are you trading? Forex? Currency pairs? ARP. What the fuck is that? You know what I want to look at? I want to look at stocks. Ooh. Oh shit. It's a big down day on Tesla. You know what I do recommend for virtually everyone? Not financial advice, but buying gold right now, not gold, oil is a fantastic investment. Because we look at, this was fucking Ukraine, Russia, right? It's like around here. I'm pretty sure it was this spike up here. Mate, we have got virtually no movement compared to that. We could be flying up. So oil's probably a pretty good investment right now for like long-term shit. That's nothing compared to what we could be looking at. What are you trading, bro? Trade Forex. Currencies. Up here, I can actually use Python. Would that work? I don't think so. No. any. What? ETH? I'll look at ETH. Probably not the worst time to buy it. But I was telling everyone down here to buy it. Yeah, I don't know. Short term, I don't look at any fucking crypto short term. It's completely pointless. What is this music? Why am I getting so fucking tired right now? I'm just like crashing. Fuck is happening? We need some fucking throw me some questions or some shit. What are you trying to bro? Forex, currencies, only stocks I put are BHP, and that's only because they match your share for share after 3 years. True. I own. Okay. Yeah, true. That's pretty cool. I did not know that. Trading Forex, yep. Gold on top. You reckon? Crypto's dead. Yeah, I don't really bother with it, to be honest. As an employee, I should say. Oh, okay. Nice. Wait, we're looking at who fucking joined the Discord. Atrocious. What are we doing here, guys? What do we do? 2 people? Come on. We got like 45 minutes. We need at least like 7 or 8. The fuck? What are you guys doing? What the fuck? What the fuck? Ew, Sapsy, thank you very much for following me. Oh yeah, the Discord link's in my bio. Fucking Christ. Back, what up, Sienna? How much margin do you get with Forex? Depends on your broker. I was the one you just talked to. Who's your affiliate? Oh! Okay, gotcha. You did? Thank you. I'll explain. Oh wait, does it close trade if you hit 0 or does it go negative? No, it won't go negative. I don't understand what you wait, does it close your trade if you hit 0 on your overall account size? So what are you talking about? So the only reason I have an affiliate link is whatever I was using, I just got the affiliate links anyway. I didn't specifically pick that broker for their affiliate program. I've had multiple brokers approach me to do affiliate shit. And the money's good, but I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to sell out for a shit broker. I do not see myself leaving Blackpool or changing brokers at all anytime soon. Glory my EA. Thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. Lost my C phrase. Jesus. I like single trade. I mean, sorry. No, well, you can go into negative on single trades. Absolutely. I live in the negative. I love being negative. Because when other trades are negative, well, I use multiple different trading pairs. So when one trade's in the negative, the other one's going to be banking profit. Or the other one's going to be just continuously banking profit while that one's negative, waiting to go positive. It's a very unconventional way of trading to the majority of people because no one knows what the fuck they're talking about. But yes. And thank you for using my fucking link. I appreciate that. What are you trading usually? Forex. Pretty much just Forex. Frosty New Zealand, thank you very much for following me. Currency pairs. It's all good. I've been using eToro. Not the worst. Fuck that. Yeah. Get him out of here. Black Bull, bro. Like, Black Bull is... There is just nowhere else you should go if you're Australian, honestly. Najenga. Thank you very much. And Nash. Thank you guys very much for following me. Oh, fucking hell. Literally, here's fucking... I was like, who's this message? I'd like to discuss a business opportunity for you. High potential affiliate marketing programs with a specific broker, which is huge, by the way. And their affiliate program is fucking insane. But I'm not gonna do that. Mr. XR6, thank you very much for following me. Juicy short on what? Ew, get me off of that shit. Romeo, thank you very much for following me. Bro, you on sells or buy? On what? I think I'm mostly on sells. Oh yeah, Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar is buys. I mean, buys on Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, which I'm just stuck in. I've been stuck in for ages. We're just... Tiffy's up here. We'll get there eventually. I don't scalp, so I'm usually in for a bit of time. Oh, fuck. What up, Alex? Bro, I watched something that was on your Facebook that was the most fucked up thing I've ever seen in my life. You shared it, and I watched it, and I was like, what the fuck is this? It was pretty grim, I should say. Grim, not crim. Shorts on Swiss yen. We got one. Where is that sell? Hello? It's not showing up, but I'd presume it's probably about here. 2, 3, 4 sells coming down. Take profit in this gap. We'll probably get down to last week's low to test these highs before coming back up here potentially, or just coming back to trade at these levels here. But we're currently in a price discovery phase at the moment, so whether we sit up here for a little bit before coming down, we shall see. Obviously, there is lots of movement on the Swiss and the yen. Obviously, this big move here because of what's happening in Iran and Israel. The Swiss and the yen have the lowest interest rates in the world. That's why people get out of high-risk investments, being stocks, some index funds they get out of, and they stick all their money into the safest currencies, which are Swiss and the yen. Hence why you get lots of movement when there is large conflicts going on around the world. So this whole movement down here, this big crash, due because of conflict and people taking their money out of high risk investments, putting it into safe haven currencies. And we're on shorts here too, Euro pound. Yeah, it was like some cops. Oh, gold. I don't trade gold. I would actually be balling if I was using black bull from the start. I made 102% last month. Jesus Christ, really? What the fuck? How? That's ridiculous. Bokarad Afnan. Thank you very much for following me in video. Okay, lucky. Yeah, I know you're talking about, bro. I thought that was fake. Nah, dude, that was fucked. I was so fucked. What is this fucking music? Smart connection. Thank you very much for following me. You're welcome, dear. Okay. It's actually such a good stock. Do you own any? Nah. Can gold go high? Probably. I don't know. I don't trade gold. Hi, what up? Sleeping. Gee, I don't know. Sleeping. Nice to meet you too. Welcome. 24 gift level. What the fuck? I need you in here more often. Do you trade on future? No. CFDs. Your live's doing way better now. Almost 100 views. Yeah, I know. Everybody's coming in and like all the OGs coming in being like, what the fuck is going on with your lives? But yeah, we get a few people coming in now. It's good. Good cause products. Thank you very much for following me. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Yeah, it's crazy the amount of people that come through. We get probably, I think I had 34,000 people come through last week. So yeah, pretty nuts. What's good, Red Dog? Shit, were you on YouTube? No. What's good? It's good to see ya. It's good to see you. We could only use 5x on eToro and 20x on indices? What the fuck? It should be 1 to 30 leverage for Forex. And 1 to 20 on indices. Yeah, that's right. I don't know what 5x on eToro. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, 5x for stocks. Phoenix Driver and Jen, come trade with me. Thank you guys very much for following me. Fuck yeah. Yeah, I know. Thank you. It's pretty mad. Sorry. I'm fine. Thank you. Fantastic. Fantastic. Yeah, I don't even know what the stocks limit is for the ASIC, to be honest. ASIC? Yeah. Australian Securities Investments Committee. Yeah. Is this ETH? No. This is Swiss yen. On the daily though. Yeah. Get me off the daily. I'm so tired, but at the same time I can't sleep. Fuck. What? It's fucking 8 o'clock. I forgot. It's probably a bad time. What are you trading? Forex. Currencies. It's 30? Yeah, true. Yeah, 20. It's so shit. 20 leverage on indices. At least with Black Bull, you get, for indices, it's 1 to 100. And for Forex, it's 1 to 500. So, 1 to 100 for indices is a fucking shitload. I was up at like 2 this morning. Fuck that, why? Oh shit! Sleeping G. What is it? What? I don't know what those. Thank you very much for the heart, me. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you. Very kind of you. Started from 5 p.m. till 6 a.m. 17 trades in a day. 52 total lot sizes. Jesus. Fucking hell. That's like scalping. That's like insane scalping. Most welcome. Thank you. Thank you for joining the team. I think I hit most likes in 1 like. Are you serious? Oh no. Oh no. What's happened? Stop leaving me on edge. Has it glitched? I feel like if it has, you've just absolutely pegged your phone at a wall. I'm scared. Marie, thank you very much for following me. What currency pair are you trading? At the moment, I'm in Euro Pound, Aussie Dollar, New Zealand Dollar, Euro New Zealand. I think that's it. Swiss Yen. Any calls this morning? I only trade CFDs, I don't trade options. Vanley, thank you very much for following me. Migsy, hello. 3 trading days? Ah, okay. Okay. But I trade 19 different pairs actively. So if my setup's there, my bot will take it automatically. Yeah, you're number 1. But it says 13,505.
I think it says it on here too. Yeah, 13,505.
Fuck, have I just fucked that up? God damn it. Where's my phone? Is that good? Fuck. I think that's... Oh, your personal best. I thought you'd hit more than... I swear you've hit 20k before. Fucking hell. I really appreciate the fact that you do that. Like, I genuinely do. You do fucking way too much for me. Like, holy shit. That wasn't me. Fucking hell, we're almost at 3.2k followers already. What am I doing? I'm looking at my live. I need to go on a different account. But yeah, Jesus, thank you very much. No more, Migsy. You've done enough for me. What time frame? I use 5 minutes for my entry, and okay, well there we go. And why can I not fucking think? 1 hour for my highly time frame. Sorry, I'm looking at myself. I get distracted with how good looking I am, to be honest. The size of this fucking guy. Look at the fucking... Anyway. Oh. Anyway, I think that's good. 2 out of 4 go live for 110 minutes. What the fuck is happening? Meow. Anyway, that looks good. We're back. We fixed it. And I got to look at myself for a little bit. Ah, Mr. Taxman, what's going on? Why is it not showing my message? I don't know. Yeah, probably getting filtered. I see my stats on Discord. Mad, I'll have a look in 1 second. It's good. Oh, cool. Akuba Bruno, thank you very much for following me. See my stats. Yep. Now 12k, pretty sure. Yeah, fuck. Well, good job, and thank you very much. Thank you. I really appreciate that. A lot. Because you do that manually, it's fucking insane. Like, actually crazy. How do you learn to trade? Fucking a shitload of courses, mentorships, all that shit. And then I became profitable after a year and a half to 2 years after learning from one specific mentor. All the other ones just fed me garbage. Didn't know what the fuck they were talking about. Yeah, try and send something like normal. Mr. Taxman? Discord. Now, before we have a look, how many people have we got in since? One more person. Join the Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. If you want to fucking actually learn how to trade, message me. I'm here. You can talk to me. Omar, thank you very much for following me. Illusion, thank you very much for following me. Who'd you learn from, bro? I gatekeep. Ooh, Mr. Taxman with the hard meat and the hat and mustache. Thank you very much. I think you're going to be on here now. I kind of got like notified of this. I kind of forgot about it. Come on. Oh. Sorry. I take that back. Anyway, thank you very much for the hat and the mustache. Makes me look pretty. Member level fucking 11. You and Birchop are up there. You guys have got to be like the top members. The guy I learned from isn't really around anymore. What's good, Cracker Boy Dev? Is this Aries? No. That's what Aries says every fucking time. It just comes in and says that exact thing. I'm not a normal man, Father. You should know this. I know. That's okay. No, do I seem like a fucking normal person? I'm drinking fucking caffeine at 8:30 at night. I'm addicted to these fucking things. The white flying powers. Absolute goats. Bro, thank you again for the fucking hat and mustache. I hope you lose it all. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. I will, just because you said that. Come on, please have a face. God. Bro, there's no way. I don't believe that. That's gonna be a troll. God damn it. I hate when people come and talk shit, but they don't have anything. Would you ever move overseas to pay less tax with trading profits? Yes, and it is on the cards. We'll see. Well, thank you. I appreciate that. You keep up the great work too. And have a wonderful evening. I still can't find them. I might have to venture out of the country to get one to try. Oh, right, yeah. I'll post you. I'll fucking send one in the mail or some shit. Eddie J, thank you very much for following me. Yeah. Do you think gold going to go up now? No idea. I don't trade gold, for starters. Secondly, I don't think anyone knows if it's going up or not, but like, cute little twink. What the fuck? Thank you very much for following me. Yeah, I could not tell you whether it's going up or down. I got fucking absolutely no idea. Or even a prediction. I wouldn't have a clue. Wouldn't have a clue. Might try a city store. Yeah? Sell. Okay. It's going down. Okay. Gold is always going to slowly go up. Yeah, long term, most likely. Down. Hope so. Down. Okay, buddy. Chill the fuck out. So, you're full time? Yeah. What app is this? Blackpool Markets. Thank you very much, the Thai language, for following me. I appreciate that. Crypto or Forex? Forex. What did you do for work, study before becoming a trader? That's a fantastic question. Steve, I love you too. I did lots of things. Whatever paid the fucking bills until I could get out. What is going on? Fruity fanboy now? What is it? Surely. Hold on. Okay. This has to be a joke. And then this other person who was talking shit was like some femboy shit. Do I have like a femboy twink army like coming after me right now? What the fuck is happening? Black Bull markets. Black Bull. Yes. Use my link if you possibly can. I've never made a single cent off my affiliate link, but I do have one. This is the thing. I don't even know the requirements for me to get money from them. Like, I literally have no idea. I don't really care. But they like me when I don't know. They like offer me exclusive shit because I've like signed people up, but I've never made literally zero, not a single cent from them ever. So I don't fucking know how it works, to be honest, and I don't really care about the affiliate shit. Can you analyze NQ? Yeah, well, it's pre-market. What do we have? Almost at all-time highs. Blade Forgery, thank you very much for following me. We're almost at all-time highs. So the way that I trade indexes is I don't really give a fuck where it's trading at right now. I care about what happens at market open. So I'll take similar to Tom Hugard's strategy, is opening range breakout strategy. I will wait for market to open, mark my levels in terms of buys and sells at pre-market. So let's just say the market's about to open and we're here, right? So I'll put like a sell here and a buy here. I'll put 2 sell limits and 2 buy limits here, and then I'll fucking wait for it to break, essentially. And if we get a sideways day or a whipsaw day, then I'll hedge. I'll wait till a specific level. I'll take profit on that hedge, put a stop loss. This is the only time I'll really use a stop loss, and try and get out. If not, I'll re-hedge. So very rarely will I use a stop. I'll usually actually re-hedge and then put more sells in. And then if it continues to go down, I'll take the profit on these sells and then try and get out of those buys at the next pullback. It's a complicated strategy, but I'm not going to go through the whole thing right now. Thanks, all good. Down price, what? So anyway, yeah, so for analyzing it, I don't fucking know. I got no idea. Hey, Ginger, yep. Part Irish, Scottish. No futures, no. CFDs only. Have you been to a femboy Hooters? There is no such thing, surely. I will gladly, piece of advice, do not use Phantom for trading. Like, are you talking about this shit? German twink. What the actual fuck is happening? You should make a channel in your Discord with just affiliate links. I'd use them. There is one. It's support me. But I don't have many affiliate links because, like, I don't, you know, I don't know. I feel kind of like scammy when I have like affiliate links. I mean, that's the only affiliate link that I have because I'm not just gonna go crazy and like try and I don't know. I just don't feel it. Just doesn't feel. I don't know. I don't even like the fact that I have a mentorship program, right? I hate the fact that I charge anything for that in general. I fucking hate it, right? I literally hate it. But my time is worth money. And the other thing is if I don't charge for it, nobody's gonna fucking listen. There is 350 people now in the Discord. We're growing slowly. I'm obviously new to this. I've only been doing it for a couple of months. We got like 350 people in here. And if people are getting this shit for free, they don't give a fuck. They come in and then they spend fucking 3.5 seconds and then just give up. Right? The people in the mentorship actually try because they're paying for something they need. So, yeah, like I help people like crazy, but they just don't listen because they get it for free and they just don't. It's just like free advice doesn't mean shit to people. So, I don't know. I don't know. I don't like fucking, even though affiliate links are kind of like people who are just going to sign up anyway. I don't know. It just all feels wrong to me. This is like all new to me, and I don't really like it, but I like helping people and the messages that I get and fucking seeing that people are like well exceeding any money, like the mentorship people exceeding any money they have ever spent on me, like in the mentorship, because it's not that expensive, then blowing that out of the water, and paying for the mentorship at the same time, it feels good that I can help, and you know they're making way more money than they ever invested. It does feel good. In terms of me, bro, I literally make nothing from any of this shit. So I get paid. I calculated it like a month or two ago that I've made. I'm worth like 40 cents an hour doing all of this shit. So it's like, you know, I don't really care, but I appreciate that anyway. And that's all that, in the mentorship, there's a few more, there's only one more link for an affiliate, which is for a VPS, which you need if you're Bird Chop with a heart puff and an ice cream cone. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for the heart puff and the ice cream cone. Anyway, there's another one for VPS which you need for algorithmic trading, like algo trading with a bot, because it needs to be on all the time. But besides that, it's nothing. I've made fucking literally nothing off that. I will gladly piece of. Alright, yeah. Alright, fuck, we already passed that. Blade Forgery, thank you very much for following me. Up, of course, man. Up. What the fuck? To use 500 leverage? Yep. I want to learn trading. Any YouTube recommendations? Yeah, go onto my Discord. The Discord's linked to my bio. You can talk to me for free. It's fine. And then watch there's a free 1 hour video on getting started into trading. So watch that. There's also babypips.com. You can do the Baby Pips Forex course. I recommend that. And I also have a mentorship if that's something you'd be interested in down the line. I mean, I'm sure you don't want to start investing any money into it just yet, but get the basics down first and come have a chat to me. Message me on Discord. It's rare to see someone actually explaining it on here. Explaining what, sorry? Blade Forgery? What's that? I'm Ginger too? Fuck yeah. German toy. What the actual fuck? What do you think about Kanye? Amazon affiliates scare me. Fucking no clue. It's a good wallet, but the trading side is sketch. Is it? Honestly, the only time I've ever used Phantom is when I was doing meme coins on Pumped Up Fun, when I was like buying, and I created like 5 or 6 meme coins just to test it out. I wasn't like doing any crazy shit. And I was like buying some fucking meme coins and stuff. I was just bored. Like fucking, I don't even know. This is probably almost like a year ago. I was literally just bored. Fucking had nothing to do because this shit gets boring sometimes. Now it's not because I got the community and everything, but that's the only time I ever really used it. And on Dex Screener. No, you shouldn't feel scammy. You help people for free anyway. Yeah, I know. I don't, like, I know I'm not like some fucking piece of shit scammer, but I don't know. Just I don't know how to explain it. It's a strange feeling, like taking money from people. I don't know, and like hard selling shit. I don't like doing that. I don't like doing it. I was a salesman. Fuck, somebody asked that earlier what I did for work, and I didn't answer it. I got distracted, but I was a salesman, and I fucking hated it. Pip Syndicate, thank you very much for following me. Mac Win, thank you very much for following me. Mikey LCDN, thank you very much for following me. Perla, thank you very much for following me. And Moriel, thank you very much for following me. Hypothetically, if a 9-year-old asked if they should start trading, what would you say? I wouldn't be, like, I mean, I'd usher them to their parents. I don't know. Why would a 9-year-old be asking me that? I'd say, I don't know, just go to school. I'd say no. What are your thoughts on mainstream trading gurus and influencers? I fucking hate them. The 99% of them are full of shit. There's a very, very small minority of mainstream trading gurus that actually know what the fuck they're talking about. Very few. So easy to tell too. What broker to use? Black bull markets. Trading and things like that. Oh yeah, true. Hopefully I explain enough. Is this NASDAQ? Nah. Oh, actually, yeah, it is. Fuck. Yeah, we were looking at that actually earlier. I don't trade NASDAQ though. At the moment, I used to. Every day. Love your transparency. Thank you very much. SG007. I haven't seen you in here in a while, I think. I remember the name. I mean, you would only make a portion of what the company would take anyways, being an affiliate. Yeah, it's not so much affiliate. I think it's just the hard selling shit. Hey man! Dilva and James, thank you very much for following me. Yeah, I think it's just the hard selling stuff I don't particularly like. Hey man! Duke FX, thank you very much for following me. I don't know. There's nothing wrong with anything that I do. It's just, I don't know. This whole industry sucks. What's your thoughts on MTC education? I don't know what that is. Should I know what that is? I mean, it just looks absolutely fucking horseshit. It's an optional pyramid scheme where new members are to pay a fee monthly or until they sign up. 4 more people up, their monthly fee is waived. Yeah, right. I mean, does that technically mean that mine is too? Because like I have, like people can sign other people up as well through an affiliate link from me. Like for my mentorship, like the guys in the mentorship can sign other people up and get like a fee for it if they want. I gotta go, have a good night, bro. You too, and I'll respond to whatever we have on Discord after as well. And if you need anything else, just message me on Discord. But yeah, thanks for tuning in and come and talking shit, and I'll talk to you a bit later. What's your thoughts on the empty? Yeah, I don't like the look of that at all. Yeah, it's ridiculous. What's the trend on gold today? Damn. So far, just hanging out sideways. Not the straightest lines, but you know what I mean. I don't trade gold, so not my Not my cup of tea. How'd you learn to trade? Shitloads of courses, mentorships. Oh wait, I'll get to that one in a second. Courses, mentorships, YouTube, everything for years. Years and years and years. If it's someone else, but they want money and their parents won't let them gamble. What the fuck what are you talking about? Money and their parents won't let them gamble. I don't know. Are you really young? Because I think I'm going to remove you from here. Because this seems weird. I don't like that. Sorry, but I don't know what the fuck is going on there. That was really strange. That was really fucking strange. They seem very well, yeah, that's what it looks like. Which mainstream traders to avoid? Name and shame. Nah, I don't want to do that. But just listen to fucking me. Just listen to me. I don't know. But I don't want to. I'm not here to fucking call people out or anything. If people ask my opinions on someone, like, sure, I'll talk about it. We got another. I mean, I don't want to say that this person's Russian, but he looks like Cyrillic. What about Bitcoin? There are forecasts, are there? I don't know if that translation was terrible, but I don't know about Bitcoin. Bitcoin's all got to do with hype. Whether or not we get the hype and this, if we have enough steam to continue, I don't know. But honestly, we will probably get back down here, or even these levels somewhere down here, is my prediction. Because, I mean, it's all hype, and all these people buying it up have to take profit at some point. So there will be a pullback. How big it is, I don't know. If this was the pullback for the profit take, who knows? Are we going to M pattern and come back down? No one knows. Absolutely no one knows. Not too sure. What do you think of purple Bitcoin? I have no idea what that is. Thoughts on Rihari? I don't know what that is. Fuck, there's a lot of, I don't know what this is. Came up with some Maori or Betford Women's Super League. I don't know what that is. Nasdaq, please. We did Nasdaq just before. We're pre-market, and I only care about market open when the market opens. I don't care about anything else really. And then look at levels where to go from market open. Nothing else really matters to me. And I'll explain that in a second. Did you end up creating your own strategy based off everything you've learned, or use someone else's? I use somewhat someone else's plus a few additional things that I wanted to chuck in there. But I put it all into a trading bot. So I programmed a bot to get me in and out of the market. But it's based off my strategy. Cheng, thank you very much for following me. What are you trading? Forex, currencies. LDSZ, Smart Trade, Reyes. Thank you guys very much for following me. I appreciate that a lot. Dow Jones? Dow. Again, so the way that I trade is like Tom Hugard's opening range breakout strategy. So I'll be looking at levels like that, putting buys there and sells here, and waiting for the breakout at market open. I'll have a TP at 2R and a TP at 5R. I'll take partials at 2R and then let a runner go to see how far we can get, really. And then I have a trailing stop that's 2R away. So it will trail from 2R. And as the market moves up, and then if we come back down, take it out. What have we got? 3R that day. And if we hedge, that's fine. I don't use a stop loss here. I hedge. So it doesn't really matter how far we go. I would just be looking at these levels. So from market open, regardless, if we're just looking at a technical standpoint, obviously we have very large gaps here that we need to fill. I would be looking for a long day coming up, filling all these gaps. I would even potentially put my 5R TP, try and get a runner all the way up to here, to be completely honest. And just leave the 2R and just walk away with the 2R trailing stop. But I'm not trading the indices at the moment because it's just a fucking nightmare. So, yeah. Anybody here in no. He's a trader in the Gold Coast, Rahari. Oh. Is it the Kiwi dude? I don't know. I got fucking no idea who it is. Give me 1 second, remind me, and I'll have a look. I just gotta catch up. Gambling or trading? Trading? We buy or sell now on what? 22, want to get into Forex trading. Don't know where or how to start. Michael Jackson, join my Discord. Discord's linked to my bio. Watch the 1 hour free video on getting started into trading. It's all the complete basics. And then you can message me. You can talk to me for free. I do have a mentorship program if you want to get on calls with me, figure out my strategy, all of that shit, get my trading bot, everything. That is also linked to my bio. If you want extracurricular education, if that's what you even fucking call it. Thank you for following me too. But yeah, go join Discord. Discord's free. If you want to get in the mentorship, get in the fucking mentorship. Watch the free video. Anyway, it's complete basics. And yes, I do it full time. Ada Yang Mao. Okay, well, I don't know. Where the Fibonacci tool in Blackpool, I can't find it. Well, if you're on, are you on MT4? On MT4, it's at the top left here. I don't know if you can even see that, to be honest. Oh, no, you can't. Fuck. It's at the top left next to... I don't know, what platform are you using? Hello, brother. Are you partners with any broker? You asked me this the other day. I have an affiliate link with one, but that's it. And I think you messaged me about a broker or some shit, and it's just, I don't really, I'm happy with, I mean, I don't make any fucking money from mine, but I'm happy with their conditions. What is this? Trading. Yeah, the Maori guy that also goes by Rahari FX, usually with 2 other guys. All right, what are we trading, please? Forex. Let me have a look at this Rahari guy. Fuck, I have a lot of fucking Rahari FX.
To the City Sucker Trading last part of the link series on how to use the fixed replay efficiently. We're about to on how to use a fixed replay properly. If you suck at trading, you want to be confident in the market taking trades. Watch this video. We're about to give you the #1 hack that might get what to get good, what to be looking for today.
I don't know what I'm even looking at.
trades off every single day. This is what I teach in the education platform. And looking at the 5 minute over here, we have per 80-month trade with everyone. Similar little break here. So then we break down this price has created a new lower low. Now it's starting to push back up, which is price.
I don't know what I'm looking at. Like his videos are. I don't know what I'm looking at. There's nothing really showing like his trading. So I don't know. I'd be speculative because I'm speculative. Absolutely everyone in this industry. 10 Trade Africa. What's going on? Brahim Zergoon and Politica Extrema. Thank you very much for following me. Can I get a up the waz? Up the waz. What is this song? I'd rather listen to a fork screeching across a plate. Okay, let's have a look at... Alright, we're getting somewhere. We got a few more people in the Discord. Welcome everyone. But we're doing pretty shit today, to be honest. What do you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people that join. It's free. What the fuck is wrong with people? And you can talk to somebody that's been doing this for fucking almost 5 years. I honestly, laddie, I don't fucking understand, like, absolutely ridiculous. Hello. What's going on? Why are we slowing down? Just got 82 fucking people in here. Thank you everyone for 50k likes. Holy shit. 50 fucking k. Holy fuck, no way, this was 4 fucking years ago. Are you kidding me? Bruh. Dude. Getting old. Looks like night trading. Trong Nan, thank you very much for following me. Bro, how to find fair value gap and understand the market. Join my mentorship and you get free fair value gaps drawn in automatically from a indicator that I developed. We'll do it for free. Thanks for your patience. You're a pure good dude. Plenty of hours of fun vid viewing. Sweet. Thank you very much for that too. You have messaged me. Fuck yeah. Fuck, sorry, I didn't even see that. As long as you got through and you didn't have to repay it, I would have got a notification, so that's good. Sorted out, done, sweet. So sorry I didn't fucking see that, but I mean, I guess that was I guess that worked out because you fucking figured it out. Perfect, absolutely fantastic. Yeah, so plenty of videos to watch. And then yeah, we'll go from there. I still have a, as I said, I'm in the works of doing the masterclass too, so it's gonna be fucking, you're gonna have a lot of material to watch. And if you want to get in a call as well, we can get in a call, have a chat. I made myself work for it, so looking forward to it now. Fuck yeah. Nah, that's awesome. Let's get it! Let's make some money. Have a look at what the other guys are doing in the profits channel too. Like, doing well. And they're both brand new to trading. So there we go. What up, Lucas? How you going? What indicator are you using? I use multiple indicators. I use lots of them. I made myself. All right. Yep. Meggy Nova. Meg. Thank you very much for following me. Marvelous. Thank you very much for following me. No dramas. Sweet. Sweet, sweet. We've been here for 2 hours. I need to keep recording the masterclass. Meg. Yeah, sorry. I did say Meg at the end because I think I kind of figured it out. But fuck. Meg put like a space there or some shit. Can you even do that? Surely. Yeah. Got messaged by a fake account trying to be you. Who wouldn't want to be me? But yeah, sorry about that. I literally can't do anything about it. Hopefully you told them to get the fuck out of here. Coach Ty 342. Thank you very much for following me. You know what's fucked? I'm actually like kind of getting used to the humiliation ritual. Like it's a bit fucked up, but why is this not working? What do we have left? 94 comments. I don't think we're gonna get that before I fucking leave. Oh, do I want to use a co-host? I'm not doing that today. I honestly could not be fucked. I could not be fucked. No way. Yeah, I thought it was you at first because they got more followers for some reason. Yeah, dude. Well, I don't have that many followers, right? We're still small, but yeah, the majority of them, they do have more followers than me. It's fucked. What can you do? What's the, do you know what the username is? What's the move? Yo. I don't know. What is the move? Do you use FinViz to screen Forex? No, I don't even know what that is. Only Forex, just curious. Why so many Forex bros? So I started with Forex about 5 years ago. And I've been doing the same shit since. I trade indices as well. I haven't been trading indices for a while, but Forex just works. It's good. I don't know why I would change it, you know? Are there that many Forex bros? I feel like that's kind of fizzling out and everyone's trading gold and NASDAQ and all that shit. I don't see very many people trading Forex at all. Plus, the majority of them probably have fucking no clue what they're talking about anyway. Do you only use bots or do you manually trade as well? It's almost always bots, yeah. I'll chuck in some manual trades here and there, but the majority of the time it's through a bot. If my conditions are there, why would I not get in? You know, it takes a lot of psychological barriers out. The majority of the time my exits will be manual. So I would say not the majority, probably, I reckon I have about 70% automation towards my trading. The rest is discretionary. Lone Wolf, thank you very much for following me. How do I get money to start? Get a job? Work 2 jobs. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Happy hunting today. Yeah, absolutely, yeah. And I've been using this strategy for 3 years. Sup? What up, Shirofu? Your number one indicator, RSI, 100%. Should I buy now, bro? Buy what? Do you teach or have a course, etc.? And how do the bots work with the strategy? Yeah, I've got a mentorship program. That's linked in my bio. The bot you get for free with it. And even if you pay for like 1 month, you're getting it for life. Nate, thank you very much for the heart me. It's $47 US a month. The bot works by, so you apply it to a VPS. So a VPS is a virtual private server, which is like a computer that's located in some random fucking country. Mine's in New York, and I've got the links and everything for that as well. And I pay like, well, I pay $90 a month because I have 3 different VPSs running, but they're like $30 a month, and it's on all day. So you just apply it to your chart, you set up your settings, which I go through and tell you what settings I recommend and what I use and everything. You plop it on the chart and see every single one of these trades the bot took. Oh, fucking get this out of my face. So it took a trade, pushed back up. I've set my parameters to take extra trades at certain levels, pushed up a little bit further, set another trade. This is our break-even line that I programmed into it, so we know where break-even is. This is take profit, which is not much further down, but because we're in 3 positions, break even, and then to get to profit is nice and easy. Plus, this is a large gap where orders have not been filled yet. And to be honest, we could probably go further down, but I just want to get in and out, smack bang in the middle of the gap. Hopefully we can get down here. Boom, profit, done. It's pretty straightforward. No, I mean, it's not that straightforward, but this is about as, you know, kind of set and forget as you can get. As I said, it's about 70% of my trading's automated. You can run it full auto and it will trade and make money. However, I do recommend interfering to maximize profits. But yeah, this comes for free with the mentorship program. The VPS, you'll obviously have to get one. But there are free ones out there. I just don't recommend them. It's better off just spending $30 a month. Write it off as tax or some shit. Nice. Literally know nothing about trading and just starting to learn. Really so overwhelming. Yeah, absolutely it is. It's fucking... At the start, it's fucked. But you'll get there and you'll start to see things play out over and over again. And it gets a lot easier. Gets a lot easier. So, yeah. Just keep at it and it'll be all good eventually. But it is a pain in the ass at the start. Honey Belvy, thank you very much for following me. You trading gold? Oh, no, I don't trade gold. I have a VPS already with Amazon, I believe. Sweet. Well, there you go. That's fucking easy. What price is gold predicted to get to today? I don't know. I don't trade gold. I sell gold. Should I keep it? I don't know. How much profit are you in? Are you happy with the profit? Oh, are you in profit at all? 34 to 1. Fuck. Wait, what? I mean, I don't know. I don't know what your strategy is. And I don't trade gold, so I got fucking absolutely no clue. So, some Arabic. Yeah, it's super good, your VPS. How'd you get into trading? I honestly can't remember. It was fucking that long ago. I can't remember how I got in. I just remember getting in. Fuck, I'm gonna have to think. What the first... I remember one of the first videos that I ever watched. One of the first ever videos was... Nah, it wouldn't have been one of the first. What the fuck? I don't even fucking remember what it is.
I know that trading.
This guy? I think it was something, the trading channel. I think I watched one of those. Maybe that might have been my first introduction. I honestly can't fucking remember. It was so long ago. But the reason I got into trading was, oh shit, Rome with some jelly snakes. Thank you very much for the jelly snakes. I'll get to you in just a second. I got into trading because second good station. Thank you for following me. I hated working. It fucking sucked. Do you think NAS and US 30 will tank today? I don't know. We just have to wait for open. I would love some longs. I would absolutely love some longs. That would be fantastic if we broke long. But short, we got lots of targets down to the shorts too. We're kind of in the middle of this fucking, these levels here, so. I don't have a magic crystal ball that'll tell me which way it's gonna go. Neither does anyone, so fucking knows. The depiction of gold, I don't trade gold. Do you think NAS and US, oh yeah, and it's the same for Dow Jones. I don't know. Fucking zero clue. We have been somewhat steadily climbing up on the Dow. Whether we get another little fucking up day? Maybe back up to here. It's like, how do you know what orders the hedge funds have to fill, you know? You got no idea. Would the bot work on demo account so I can learn? Yeah, absolutely. Yep. I have people in the mentorship that are using it on a demo account, and I recommend using it on a demo account absolutely before putting any of your money in. Just so you get the feel of it and everything, and get the settings all set up, and then you can basically just, if you want to go live, you can just sign into your live account and then you're in. Order flow is magic. Yep. Second good station, thank you again. What city am I in? Brisbane. It'll take me a second to think about that. Who are some day traders you recommend to watch or learn from? It's a good question. Me, obviously. Ask me questions, whatever. Anton Creel and Tom Hugard. And God's Plan, thank you very much. I'm Zurich, thank you very much for following me. Fuck, what's his name? Mark Douglas. Watch Mark Douglas's fucking psychology video as well. You don't have any idea about trading? It's alright. No stress. Alright, thank you very much for the jelly snakes. Into microwave followed. Thank you very much. 2 hours still going strong. We're at 2 hours 22. We're still here. We're still here. I want to go and keep. I started recording the fucking masterclass video, so I gotta do that. I gotta do some more of that tonight. It's gonna take so fucking long to finish that. Like, record it all. There's so much shit. Oh no, I mean, yeah, same shit. 2 hours. I wasn't trying to be fucking hell. That did sound like I was being a piece of shit. I apologize. How do funded accounts work and how hard are they to get? Okay. How do they work? So, you pay for a challenge, they give you a demo account, and it's always going to be demo, and you can speculate on the market, obviously, just like you're trading, but they have extremely strict rules in hopes that you fail your challenge. The only way they make money is by when you fail your challenge and you don't pass and you don't get to a payout. So they make the rules extremely strict to prevent from the masses actually being able to pass a challenge, because they know that, you know, the statistics are there, right? Like, the majority of people don't actually fucking make money from trading. Coupled with that's on like live accounts and shit, coupled with extremely strict rules, They have the upper hand. They're going to win every fucking time. They're going to make all the money. They're extremely hard to get. People glorify the fuck out of them, but it's all bullshit. It's because they have backdoor access. I've been offered it. It's not that fucking hard. I'm funded. I don't promote it. It's because people that are new should not even go any fucking where near them. It's a get rich quick scheme. I want to learn how to trade. Trying to get rich, but nice to leave this 9 to 5. 100%. And that's what I was talking about in the new video that I'm creating as well. Is you probably won't make like dumb, stupid, fucking 10, 15, 20 million dollars from trading, but it gets you out of that shit. And it gives you more time to be able to expand the horizons. And it actually gives you opportunities to see when extreme market conditions are happening, like shit like this. And if you get a fun account and you full port some shit like this, you're making a lot of money. You can identify these sorts of opportunities and you see them over and over again. And that's the stuff that gets you rich. So normal processes can get you out of a 9 to 5, but they won't make you fucking multi-millionaire. But finding opportunities that have extremely high probability odds of working out in your favor and making you a shitload of money, you can identify after a while. And that's what gets you fucking rich in trading. All good. Yeah, sorry about that. Which is the best app for trading? Blackbull. Blackbull markets fee broker MT4. MetaTrader 4 for your trading platform. Might be a silly question, but how does one get around capital gains tax in trading? The percentage is so high. Loopholes. Talk to an accountant. Get a really good accountant. Like me. You're not gonna have much luck. Move countries. Why do funded honestly learn yourself and trade live after trialing your strat and demo? Yeah, like it's get rich quick. It's the appeal of having $100, $200, $300,000 worth of funding that holy shit, I can make so much money from this. This is so easy, I just have to join this guy's course and then learn this one strategy and then I'm gonna be a fucking millionaire. Because I'm trading with hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars. So it's just a get rich quick scheme. So bro, who were the other two guys you recommended? Put them in the notes. We got Mark Douglas, Anton Kreil, ANTON and Tom Hugard. It's like HOUGAARD, I think. I don't know, it'll come up. Guideline Warning and Jose Zalia, Manu, and Noah. Thank you very much for following me. Bro, I was actually going to text you. When are you going to LA next? You trade Forex, sometimes indices. Even if you pass and do make profit, those prop firms won't even pay all out. It's a scam. Yeah. But why the fuck do they have profit splits? Like, actually, why do they have profit splits? Makes no fucking sense. They're not taking any money. They're just taking the money off of you. Why do they have, if it's all demo, why do they have fucking, and they want you to win, why their spreads? Why their commissions? Why their fees? It makes no fucking sense. It's all demo. It's bullshit. Got yourself in his notes. I did say it myself, but yeah, it's whatever. Hey, I'm in LA. Aya? What the fuck? Are you from LA? Cheers, bro. Give him a watch. Mad. Just the psychology shit. I won't bother with the actual trading side of stuff because it would confuse the fuck out of you if you knew. Yeah, I'm in LA. Mad. Yeah, I want to go. Did I just fucking miss something? Oh no, I didn't. What broker you recommend? Black Bull Markets. Wait, are you based in America? Like, do you live there? Fuck. Okay, well that's good anyway. Well, I mean, it's not good, but it's okay because I'm just gonna have to find a broker that will work for you that has enough leverage. Because leverage is the issue in the US. You've got maximum 1 to 50. And you need more. You need like minimum 1 to 2, 300. So someone else from the US hit me up today asking to find them a broker. And I'll have a look. Ooh, Speedy, your odds coming down. Somewhat. Wait, what the fuck? Why are the lot sizes all fucked up? That's confusing. Manalin Store. Thank you very much. Manalin Store? Thank you very much for following. Is that just... It's probably because you took trades off, I presume. Or maybe manually did them. I don't know. I don't even know. Yeah, we're coming down. Eventually. Yeah, Euro pounds piss me off, to be completely honest. Oh, you manually... Okay, yep. Makes sense. How do you fucking stream this? Like... What the fuck are we doing? Not that. It's Euro pound, right? Why does this look so weird? Why does that not look right? Why does this not look right? Oh, that's... Oh my fucking god, I was on the hourly chart. Makes sense. James, thank you very much for following me. Yeah. It's pissed me off. Please and thank you. That would be nice. I might get off, guys, but I've been fucking on here for ages. I might just get off. We have lots of... Fuck, this is kind of scary for you, eh? I'm at 16. I'm about the same. Maybe not, actually. I think I'm a little bit less. Because I got out of heaps of shit. So we got 1, 2, 3 on Euro pound. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. I'm in 2. So 5. Swiss yen. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9. And then Euro New Zealand. 10, 11, 12. That's it. 12, yeah. But I got out of heaps of shit on the market drop. Something that I'm going to touch on is, as well in the masterclass, is when we're taking off pairs, pretty much exactly what you did. Instead of, like, taking off the, fuck, that's a terrible example. Fucking hell. So instead of taking off the top one when it's in profit, you start with the bottom. Even though it's the most, you know, it's got the most fucking drawdown or whatever, these are the most important ones, is these ones up here. So taking these off when you're in profit just fucks it a little bit more. Because if you take these off, then our average is going to go higher. If you take these off, our average is going to go lower. So you take the bottom ones off, or at least scale out of the bottom ones first. Yeah, so I should have fucking explained that to you. It's my bad. Manual install. James followed, thank you. Yos, Ahmed, thank you guys very much for following me. Lone Wolf, if you end up joining the mentorship, just send me a message and we'll sort out a fucking broker for you. Gold, I don't trade gold. Yes. I think that's what will cook me this week. I'll be up on a few, but you're spot on. Yeah. I'm just worried about, we got big fucking news this week. And lots of it. And it can go either way. Obviously, we've got CPI. What the fuck? I will be very surprised if we hit this number on CPI. They're not going to change the bank rate. There's no way they change that bank rate for the pound, because it's just, the economy's fucked in the pound. There's no way they change rates. Euro news, not particularly, but we got lots of pound news which correlates with the euro, so potentially. What else are you in? Aussie, we got Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar news. We got unemployment. What else are you in? Euro pound, euro odd. Yeah, so that's going to be affected. And obviously we've got the rate for US dollar, which is fucking huge. Now, Donald Trump has been pressuring Powell to drop rates, but he's not going to do it. There's no way these get dropped. So these will probably stay at 4.5%. I very, very, very highly doubt that's going to change. We obviously have the statement so Powell will be talking and blabbering, which is going to affect pretty much everything, most likely. Because FOMC usually makes a bit of a dent. So we'll just have to see. We'll have to see. But yeah, I'm a bit worried for you being a little bit overexposed. Holy shit, there's more. Pound, euro, US dollar. Holy fuck. Okay. Yeah, you need to get on the laptop ASAP and just turn everything else off. Whenever you can. Because, yeah, fucking hell. Too much. Too many pairs. Making money, but still scary. And we got Japanese rates. That's not going to do anything. They're not going to change the rates for the yen. But we got the statement, press conference as well. Damien Kimnai and Trader Alvin FX. Thank you guys very much. What strategy do I use? Dollar cost averaging, mean reversion, martingale. Gold? I don't trade gold. So yeah, but the thing is with the yen is it's going to most likely move regardless if there's news due to fucking what's happening in Iran and shit. So yeah, it's gonna be, I don't know. It's gonna be a wild week for Forex. I'd be turning everything else off if I was you. It's like the second you get in profit. Well, Well, obviously, if it drops, you'll be happy because you make a shitload of money. But, yes, too much exposure. We already know this. I don't need to say it a million fucking times. But, yeah. We'll see. Good for me. Good for my strategy because it's just fucking huge movements, getting into heaps and then getting out. It's fantastic. I'm loving it. But yeah, you're going through the ringer a little bit. But it's alright. Yeah, still banking profit. And again, you can scale out of some shit before it gets too bad. Like, you could halve that drawdown super easily. But that's just up to you. As long as it works, we'll be happy. I've got Wednesday off, so I'll be able to jump on, turn you off. Sweet, sweet. Make a trade. No. Kowalski.tv. Thank you very much for following me. I appreciate that. Fuck, we got 90 people in here. Nah, I'm gonna go. I need to get shit done. Righty, guys. Thank you very much to Flip. Yeah. I should have said that. How many people were... Okay, where are we at with the Discord people? How many people jumped in? We got... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 people. If you're not in the fucking Discord, get in. The link's in my bio. What indicators do I use? Many. Yeah, I'm gonna boost Discord, link to my bio, come talk some shit, chat. And yeah, follow me on Instagram. TikTok, not Instagram. Fuck, this is what happens when you talk for 3 hours and use your brain heavily for 3 hours. I'm gonna go, have a wonderful night. I'll be back tomorrow, 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Thank you everyone for all the likes, all the gifts, everything, all the follows. Really appreciate it. This is my most followed stream ever, 90 followers. It's the most amount of people that have followed in one fucking stream, so I appreciate that a lot. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow.